The pond habitat. A pond is a small body of fresh water that does not flow. Fresh water has little or no salt in it. Most animals that live in fresh water cannot live in salt water. Pond animals often live in and out of the water. Can you think of some animals that live in a pond habitat? Let's look at a few. Frogs. Frogs need to live around the water because that's where they lay their eggs. The eggs hatch and the tadpoles live underwater until they change into a frog. Frogs in the pond habitat eat flies, worms, snails, dragonflies, mosquitoes, grasshoppers, and other insects. A large frog will even eat a small fish or snake if it can get it in its mouth. Turtles. Pond turtles like to live where there are rocks, logs, or plants on top of the water so that they can bask in the sun. Turtles eat insects, crayfish, tadpoles, as well as algae, lily pads, tulle, and cattail roots. Baby turtles hatch from eggs. Ducks can also be found in a pond habitat. They swim on top of the water and get their food under the water. A mother duck lays her eggs in a nest on the ground near water. She hides the nest under grasses or shrubs. As soon as the ducklings hatch, the mother duck leads them to water to swim. Ducks stay dry in the water by spreading oil on their feathers from a gland at the top of their tails. Baby ducks do not have a working oil gland yet. The mother duck will spread her own oil on her ducklings so that they can swim without getting waterlogged or cold. Beavers. Beavers live near ponds. In fact, beavers help create ponds. The beaver cuts down hundreds of trees and branches with its sharp teeth to build a dam across a stream. The dam makes a wide, deep pond. Wherever beavers build dams, the grass will become thick and green. The dam filters the water to make it cleaner. The soil around the dam is better for growing plants. The beaver makes the pond habitat better. Beavers build their homes in the middle of ponds for protection from predators. A beaver's home is called a lodge. The beaver builds its lodge out of mud, stones, and branches. Beavers must swim under the water to get to the entrance of their lodge. Inside of the lodge is warm and dry and a very safe place for baby beavers. A baby beaver is called a kit. Babies are born fully furred with their eyes open. They can swim right away, but need help learning how to dive since they bob like corks in the water. The beaver has webbed back feet like the feet of a duck, which makes him a very good swimmer. His tail is like a paddle, which he uses to steer in the water. He will also use it to slap the top of the water to warn other beavers of danger. Let's watch a short video about beavers.